In this video, I will show you how to see when you started following someone on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping your profile picture. Tap on Following. Select the profile of the person you're interested in. You can search by username and open the profile of the person whose follow date you want to know. On the profile page, tap the three dots in the top right corner. Select See Shared Activity. On the Shared Activity screen, you can see the date you started following this person. This is the date you started following this person on Instagram. By following these steps, you can easily keep track of when you began following new friends, favorite celebrities, or influential figures. This allows you to reflect on how long their content has been a part of your Instagram experience. And with that, we've reached the end of our guide. Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.